When my girlfriend's grandmother died a couple years ago, my girlfriend asked to keep her kitchen table as a souvenir. This kitchen table is elegant, made out of sturdy maple wood, and has a lot of good memories. But we think that it needs a clearer and fresher varnish. Of course, the first step was to sand everything to bring back the natural color of the maple wood. I started with 60 and 80 grit, then 120, and then 180. It was easier to disassemble everything to do a proper sanding job. That's something I learned in the process. This table was originally made in Quebec, Canada, and was made in the 80s or 90s. Back then, that company was really popular. And here we have a little intruder not shy to take a number 2 on tape. Now we have a glimpse of the lightness of the wood. It feels younger and is definitely brighter. Up to the chairs. That really tested my patience. All the grooved in details were pain to sand. After I discovered that there are cornered scraper meant for those tough angles, it would have saved me a ton of time. Now that I started the first coat of varnish, I finally see all the efforts paying off. I used a clear varnish to really keep the natural color of the wood.
Doesn't look too bad.
And also, the varnish that I took was a glossy one. So they recommend to use a gloss varnish or semi-gloss varnish on an area that will be frequently touched or there will be a lot of circulation. At least that's what I understood after my research. After the 2 coat of varnish, I sanded slightly everything with a 200 grit to make the surface really smooth. After that, I applied what I thought to be the last coat. But as you can see by the area that I pointed out, I missed a couple of spots. These are easy to see because the varnish that is sand becomes slightly white. Thanks for watching, remember to subscribe for more and leave a like. I hope you liked it.